In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete temporary files in Windows 11 quickly and safely. Whether you're running out of storage space, noticing your PC slowing down, or you simply want to keep your system clean and optimized, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know without any stress. First, go down to the bottom of your computer screen and click on the search bar. Once you're there, type in Run and open it, or you can press the Windows key and the R key together on your keyboard to open it instantly. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because this step is very important. Next, when the Run window opens, click inside the box and type %temp% exactly like that, with the percentage signs at the beginning and the end. After typing it in, click on OK. You'll now see a folder open up that contains all your temporary files. These are files Windows creates during normal use, and over time, they can take up a lot of unnecessary space. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure all important apps are closed, save any work you're doing, and don't worry if some files can't be deleted. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary pop-ups or errors. Once you're inside the temp folder, click on any one file, then press Ctrl and A together on your keyboard to select everything. After that, right-click on the selected files and choose Delete. If Windows asks for permission, just allow it. If some files can't be deleted, simply check the option that says Do this for all current items, and click Skip. That's completely normal. After you've deleted what you can, close the folder. Next, open your recycle bin, and at the top, click on Empty Recycle Bin. This will permanently remove the temporary files and free up space. It's also a good idea to do this cleanup regularly to keep your system running smoothly and efficiently. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to delete temporary files in Windows 11 easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?